Today in this video I'm going to be doing a Yesstyle haul, and it's arrived express in few days, and honestly nothing fun guys. It's only sunscreen, but I will give you some suggestion on the sunscreen that I got and talk about Yesstyle perks as well if you're a registered influencer, so keep watching. So I would like to start with this Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture Gel SPF 50. I was looking for so many sunscreens on Yesstyle. I created an Excel table where I put all the sunscreens that I found that I might like and might be good for me. I put it in the chart, and then I put how many chemical or physical filters they have. It has 3 chemical filters. Is per ounce will cost $5, so total ounces is about a little bit more than 2 ounces. So there is also another Skin Aqua sunscreen which comes with a golden pump on the top, but I chose this one because this could be shipped immediately, like in 1 or 2 days. I didn't want to wait for another one for 21 days. So sometime on Yesstyle you will see that products that you want to buy are not available in stock, so you need to wait like about 3 weeks until those products will be shipped to from third party to the Yesstyle, and then they will ship it to you. So even if you have some of the products that will be shipped immediately, you still need to wait, and then after 21 days your order will be shipped still express if your order was more than $59. Another Japanese sunscreen that I got was Verdio UV Moisture Gel. It costed $13.30, and per ounce it costs $4.66, and in total ounces was a little bit more than 2 ounces. Everything is written in Japanese, and it's it's pretty hard to read what the ingredients and etc. So you just need to find the official website of the sunscreen or use it at Yesstyle. So what's special about this sunscreen is that it consists of 4 chemical filters and 1 physical filter, which is titanium dioxide, and chemical filters are oxynoxate, octicrylene, Tinosorb S, and Uvinul T150. So this sunscreen contains some of the chemical filters that are not approved by FDA in the United States, and also this sunscreen doesn't contain alcohol and fragrances, except the Skin Aqua that I didn't mention contains alcohol. I think it contains alcohol. Let me see again. Yes, it does contain alcohol, but it doesn't contain fragrance. Another sunscreen that was the highest price in my haul, it's Make Prime UV Defends Me Calamine Sun Milk. It cost $34, and it's 5 ounces, and per ounce will cost $6.82. It doesn't contain chemical filters, so it's only physical sunscreen, and it contains tin oxide and titanium dioxide. Contains some of the silicones which prevent you from losing the water, and basically this sunscreen can create like a plastic film on your face, so then it's water resistant for some time. So that's why it contains of dimethicone, like ingredients similar to it. And I actually read that this sunscreen has a very good reviews on Yesstyle, so I'm actually more physical sunscreen person. I kinda don't like chemical filters, especially those that you can find in American sunscreens. Even if it's approved by FDA, I just cannot put some of the sunscreen on my face because they will sting my eyes or they will water my eyes, that I just need to wash my face immediately. Another sunscreen that I found, and I think it's a hidden gem between all the sunscreen that you will find on Yesstyle, it's from the brand FRUDIA, and it's called Ultra UV Shield Sun Essence. It was on sale for $6.40, and it's a little bit more than 1 ounce, almost 2 ounces. And actually I think original price was around $15 if I'm not mistaken. And this sunscreen mix of chemical and physical filters, so it contains octinoxate. Actually, yeah, it's not the best chemical filter that you will find, and actually it's banned on Hawaii. Like, you wouldn't find sunscreens that contain this kind of ingredient because this ingredient destroying the coral reef of the ocean. And another chemical filters are UV Null A+ and UV Null T150, and physical filters are titanium dioxide. It doesn't contain alcohol, so it might be a good option for you if you feel like denatured alcohol will irritate your skin or will dry you out. But what I learned is that denatured alcohol is in some of the Japanese sunscreens, like most of Japanese sunscreens, because it's for the consistency. So the sunscreen can be very watery like lotion like, and it will be easier application on your face instead of very thick and greasy formula. So, and it also contains fragrance. Another sunscreen that I wanted to try, it's Korean and it's from the brand KLAVUU UV Protection Fresh Sun Gel. It was $10.60, and it's a little bit more than 1 ounce. I think it's 1 ounce and 1.79 ounce, and per ounce it was $5, almost $6, like $5.94. And this is chemical sunscreen, and it contains, let me see, 6 chemical filters. So they are UV Null A+, which protects you from UVA, and polysilicon 17, which is protects you from UVB, from sunburn, and then it's ethyl hexyl silicate, protects you from UVB, octisalate, Tinosorb M, which protects you from UVB and UVA, which is broad spectrum, and another one, Tinosorb S, also protects you from UVB and UVA, the same broad spectrum. Silicones in the sunscreen will create like a plastic film on your face, so then you have some time of sun protection before the sunscreen will be broken down by sweat and water. And also it contains alcohol and fragrance, so I am fine with alcohol in the sunscreen. I'm not fine with the alcohol in another skincare products like sunscreen. Like, I'm fine. I understand that what's the purpose of this ingredient in the sunscreen. My order was placed in April 20, and I think I got it like April 26, and I received it via FedEx Express, and that was pretty express. Yes, it was including weekends. And yeah, that's because my order was more than $59. So if you are less than $59, you pay around $5 for the express shipping, and I think that's amazing deal because some of the websites will charge you more for the express shipping, and it can be $20 like via DHL, and yeah, it will arrive like about 4 days, I guess. So yeah, I think Yesstyle is worth checking out. So sometimes Yesstyle hosts some giveaways of points or some commission credit, so you can subscribe to their channels on Instagram, for example, and then they post some of the giveaways. And also, if you're interested in some of Yesstyle products or some skincare or these products that I mentioned, you can find them in the description box below of this video, and also you can find the referral link, so you will get maybe like 5% of your purchase. I actually like to use some of the referral links of my friends on Instagram, so they can earn some commission, and then they can use it to buy more skincare, so they can review more for you guys. And also, don't forget to sign up as a Yesstyle influencer, because you will get some perks. For example, when you shop, you can get 10 times more points. And yeah, don't forget to shop with my link. It will give me some commission of your purchase, so then I can purchase more with some extra discount as well. And also don't forget to protect your head as well. So I ordered this bucket head and I feel like it's trendy right now. I don't know, maybe it's not, so just let me know. And this bucket head was around $3, and actually when I go back to check on the price of this bucket head, it was around $7. And I also got this sponsor product, and it's Bralette, if I'm not mistaken. And sponsored product can be anything, it can be skincare item, it can be some jewelry, anything. So I just wanted to try out. So sponsored product is for influencers, and you need to post it on Instagram and then submit the link to the Yesstyle. Like Yesstyle will send you an email where you need to submit the link of the product, and basically you just need to put some description on your post that, you know, go and check it out, this product, and it's like on discount 50% or something like that. So yeah, this is all for the Yesstyle haul, and if you are interested in more hauls, please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye.